Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball, and I'm here to review the math lesson with you today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1MD1. Order 3 objects by length. Compare the lengths of 2 objects indirectly by using a third object. Our essential question is, how can the length of objects be compared? And our I can statements are, I can put objects in order by length, and I can use one object to compare the lengths of 2 other objects. Now today, we are going to be taking a test. And so there are 2 sections of the test. The first section is very similar to a task that we have already completed before. And it is where we have to compare the lengths of 3 objects. So we will do number 1 together. We have snakes. We're going to double click and we're going to label from shortest to tallest. So the shortest snake will type the number 1. The one in the middle will type the number 2, and the longest will type the number 3. Okay, so let's look at the snakes. Which one is the shortest? This one. So we're going to double click. I'm going to type the number 1. Which one would come after? Which one is in the middle? It's longer than the one that we just labeled, but it's shorter than the one that we haven't labeled yet. That would be the one in the middle. Very good. So we're going to type the number 2. And which one is the longest? Double click. The cursor will flash and we'll type the number 3. Very good. So we'll do the same for numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you have the packet, you can draw your own pictures and label them. Now here is what we did yesterday. We're going to measure how many cubes long these items are. Okay, so this is a paint kit. So we start here and we're going to see where it ends. So let's count how many cubes or units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know it's 8 because it stops here. So there are about 8 paint units. So you're going to do the same for numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you start where it begins and where it ends, and you count those cubes or units to determine how many there are or how long it is. So show me what you know today. I'll see you next time.